Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how can you install Node.js on your computer. So for downloading Node.js, you have to open any web browser. So now let me open here. So now search here for the Node.js download. So now go to this first link, download Node.js. So here you can see we are on the official page of Node.js. Now scroll down and from here you have to select your operating system. Like I am on the Windows, so I will select here Windows. So here you have to select the architecture which you are running on your computer. So as I am on the x64, so I will let it be the same. Now click on this Windows installer. So here you can see installer is downloading. So it is of 31 MBs. It will take a few seconds according to your internet speed to download. So now as you can see here, the downloading has been completed. Now double click it to launch the installer on your computer. So as you can see here, it is now computing the space requirement. So by clicking on next, you can start the installation. So you have to click on next, then maybe an agreement. So here you have to click on this, I accept, then click on next. Then you have to select here the location where you want to install the Node.js. So now when you click on next here, this will give an option another next. Then when you click here install, the installation will start. So as I have already installed the Node.js on my computer, I will not install it for now. So this is how you can install Node.js. So now I will show you how can you check the Node.js is installed on your computer or not. So if you want to check the Node.js is installed on your computer properly or not, you have to open command prompt. So how can you open it? Press on window key and then search here for cmd. So here you can see command prompt is showing. Now open it. Now here inside the command prompt, right here Node-dash version. Okay, so actually it is node v. So here you can see the version of Node.js is showing, which is version 24.18.0. So this is how you can download Node.js on your computer and can also check the version which is installed on your computer. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.